Think you've got a long way to go to get to work? If you're one of scores of workers with the West Virginia Department of Transportation and contractor Brayman Construction building a new Interstate 64 bridge between Dunbar and South Charleston, going to work means climbing several hundred feet straight up into the air on this high-rise scaffolding. The workers are building a nearly 3,000-foot segmented span set for completion in fall 2010. Its 760-foot central section arching across the Kanawha River will be one of the longest concrete box girder spans in North America. The new bridge will handle eastbound I-64 traffic for some of the 78,000 vehicles per day that cross the river, while the current span will change from 2 lanes to just westbound traffic. For months now, commuters driving by the project have watched the central spans reach out and recently touch each other. Working on this massive project is a plum assignment for some, including a Tanzanian-born project engineer and W.Va alumnus bridge designer who has been emailing updates on the bridge back to his dad and family in Tanzania.
Ahmed Bongi. I'm the project engineer for the Kanawha River Bridge project. When the opportunity came, especially this close to home, I only live in Cross Lane, 7 miles from the site. I couldn't pass that opportunity. I actually begged and pleaded to be allowed to work on this project. The total span length is 760 feet. Span length between Pier 5 and 6 over the Kanawha River is 760, which will make it North America record. The current span holder is at 750 feet in length, and that was built 27 years ago in Texas. So we're about to make history in West Virginia. My dad, every time I get to talk to him, he wants to know when I'm coming back, and I tell him after I finish building the bridge, but that's not true, but it's a major experience.
It's designed for 4 lanes from Dunbar entrance to the McCorkle Street exit. That one extra lane will be just an we're calling an auxiliary lane. If somebody wants to get on Dunbar and get off at McCorkle, they don't have to get out in the main line traffic. When we redo this bridge, it'll be the same way, 4 lanes between the 2 exits with that auxiliary lane. If people just want to go in between the cities, they don't have to get out in the mainline traffic.
More or less assigned to Pier 6, and that's on the South Charleston side of the river, working towards the middle of the river. And as you can see, we're about to that closure point. This is probably a once-in-a-lifetime project. I've worked a few historic ones. This is another historic one that I've got the opportunity to work. But we're working ourselves out of a job, but that's what we always do, right?